Hey, what is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I am Meli. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. You can hit that little red button if you're into beauty content, unboxings, things like that. I also have a social media down below if you want to follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of little reels, makeup videos, wig pictures, and things of that kind of nature. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys wanted a video, and a lot of you guys highly requested this. And this is the Impressions Vanity Hello Kitty Touch Pro mirror. I am going to be inserting a video around here of when you open the box, what everything comes like and what it looks like, so you guys kind of have an idea, you know, if you were to open it, how it comes, you know, put in the box. And the box is really sturdy. It came really nicely. I actually only paid $100 because there was a sale, and on top of that I found a coupon code and I had no issues. Another great thing is they have a payment plan with Affirm, so if you guys want to purchase a mirror and you find that it's too expensive, you could divide it up in payments as well. The reason that I wanted the Hello Kitty one and this one specifically is because my vanity, which you guys don't see, is already set up with lights and camera and everything. I don't have much time between work, mom, being a mom, Instagram, YouTube, the whole 9 yards, to set everything up and take it down and the whole 9 yards. So my setup is always up and ready to go. And that's one of the reasons I don't have one of those big vanity mirrors. So I wanted something that I could have a lighting and really enjoy it, and it look pretty and cute all on my vanity. And hopefully I'll insert a picture of how it looks on my vanity right now when I'm sitting here in front of me to the side, and then I can just push it forward, turn on the light, and do my makeup in it, which I really enjoy. So if you're looking for one that's more portable, I really think that this is a great one to have. And if you like Hello Kitty, it's a win-win. Okay, so the really cool thing about this mirror is that when you get it, it actually comes in 3 pieces. So it has the stand that clips into the base, and then it has the mirror. So it's looks like this, and I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you guys can see it, and that is what it looks like. It has little hearts around that light up, and then it has Hello Kitty here. It has a bow on the bottom and on the back, and on the back are the speakers as well, because this is a Bluetooth mirror. And then also a cool thing is that I will show you guys, if you touch it here, it lights up. It's very bright. I actually really enjoy how bright it is. And then you could actually hold your finger and it will, okay, are you gonna do it? Okay. Yeah, it will dim them up and down. Hopefully you guys saw that. So let me do it again. So there it is, dimming until it's off. And then there it goes all the way back up to intensity. It does take a few hours to actually charge this up when you first get it, but no biggie. I do like the fact that it's not attached to any kind of cord or anything like that. Also, another cool thing is that it rotates the whole way around. So if you wanted to use it horizontally, you could also, you know, tilt it as you need, or, you know, like if you were gonna take a selfie and you wanted to use that, you could actually use it. And I love the fact that I can sit in my vanity and it literally, I can see my whole self in the mirror, which is really nice. So it's not too small or short. Another cool thing about this is, like I said, it is a Bluetooth. So here on the bottom, you will see a USB. So you could actually use this to charge things. You could charge your phone, things like that. I don't really have that necessity because I do have plugs in this room and I could charge my phone with that. Plus, I wouldn't want to use the battery from this to charge my phone unless it was an emergency or something, but that is an option that you have. Here's actually where you charge it, and it does bring the cord to charge it with, and you just plug it into any of your USBs. And then here you have some buttons. Here is the on off, a play button, and then a forward and back, like if you were listening to Pandora or music or anything like that, you could actually skip using these buttons. And I have used this. I won't play it here because I can't play music due to copyright laws, but I have talked through the phone through this. I have listened to my WhatsApp messages through this, and it has a good speaker. It's not something that is like a Bose speaker or anything like that. It's basically almost like those small Bluetooth speakers. If you ever had one of those tiny small ones, that kind of that's as loud it kind of gets. It's not extremely loud, but it's not extremely too where you can't hear it. You would actually be able to listen to your music and chill and do your makeup or listen to a message or things of that nature. Overall, I have to say, I really enjoy the mirror. I feel like it's super sturdy and nice, and it sits really nicely on my vanity. I was originally going to go with the one of the Hello Kitty head, but so many people told me that that one was a lot more flimsier, and so I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and try out this one, and I definitely am really impressed. I really like it, especially for the price point that I got it at. I would definitely say if you're looking into buying a mirror from Impressions Vanity, to maybe wait until there's a sale, get a good coupon code, because I think that this originally is, I think, almost like $170, and I feel that it's too pricey. I would not buy this at the original price. I feel like $100 is fair. Even, yeah, $100 or $125 would probably be fair for this mirror, but more than that just seems excessive. So if there's a mirror on there that you feel is too expensive, I would definitely wait until they have a good sale and then try to layer up a coupon code. But overall, I have to say I really enjoy all the qualities of the mirror, from the lighting to the Bluetooth to the size of it. Everything about it I absolutely enjoy. And on top of that, it's cute. It's Hello Kitty. If you guys have any questions about the mirror, hopefully I covered everything about it. You can leave it down below or try to find me on my Instagram. That's where you would probably get the fastest response. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Hopefully this was helpful if you're looking into buying one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.